AGBA Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end because I'm giving you my arguments and my play. So, AGBA Group Holding Limited sitting at 214. It's like 4.46% down for the day, of which was Friday, but overall for the week, we were like 71% up. So, that's pretty interesting with AGBA stock. Like, it's not just this week, the week prior this one, it was 184% up. So, that's also quite good. And with AGBA, I'm still trying to milk the most that I can out of these bullish trends. Now, obviously, not financial advice, and this is only for now and not forever. Nothing long term by any means. To give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. Telling you this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So with AGBA, I want to see the price just, I'm not just going to blindly buy here. Like that's the last thing that I'm doing. What I want to say to have like do you just either break past like the previous lows that we made just to grab the liquidity, and then I can start to look for those, double breaks. That's simply that. Or if it comes lower into this, the money will still looking for those double breaks to take it higher. But either way, it needs to give me the double breaks, but first needs to go lower. So yeah, if it doesn't happen that, I mean, I'm not forcing anything. There's not going to be any FOMO. So for free resources, check the first link in the description because it's free and I don't sell courses.